Hwende Cries foul over empty promises as welfare cash delays. The 21st of August 2025, KUTYA East MP Charlton Hwende has accused government of neglecting lawmakers' welfare, saying Parliament has failed to deliver on promises to clear outstanding allowances and benefits. Raising a point of privilege in the House, Hwende reminded Speaker Jacob Mudenda of commitments made during a workshop in Bulawayo last month, which he said had not been honored. Since that time, nothing has improved. In fact, it is becoming worse and worse, Hwende told Parliament. Speaker Mudenda responded that the Ministry of Finance had been engaged and was processing the arrears. We have had a meeting with the Honorable Minister of Finance, and the matter is being handled. What is outstanding at the moment is ZWL 5 million, and to bring everything up to date, we needed ZWL 5 million. I was assured that the balance of ZWL 5 million should be paid before the end of this month, Mudenda said. Deputy Finance Minister David Mnangagwa, however, admitted that a joint committee set up to oversee MPs' welfare had not been meeting as expected. There was a committee that was set up. We are yet to meet. Some of these administrative issues will best be served if we are to meet consistently and constantly, he said. His admission drew further protests from Hwende, who accused senior officials of prioritizing foreign trips over domestic commitments. The problem which we have is that most of our leaders are going outside for per diems, and we have a very serious issue, Hwende charged. The Speaker intervened, clarifying that some internal meetings had been held under the government chief whip and himself. He urged MPs to resolve their grievances through their caucuses, rather than raising them in open session. Before closing debate, Mudenda pressed Deputy Minister Mnangagwa to ensure the ZWL 5 million balance is released this week to ease tensions in the House.